So good evening students, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to discuss regarding the applicability of accounting standards. You all have learned about accounting standards, yes or no? Accounting standards are set of rules and procedures which are followed by every organization, by every accountant to maintain books of accounts and to prepare financial statements. Okay, now what is its applicability? Applicability means where it is followed, in which purposes or in which types of organizations the accounting standards are followed. Okay, so here you see I have written applicability of accounting standards. Okay, accounting standards are applicable in every business entities while recording financial transactions. Amongst those some are, so every business entities are following accounting standards to maintain books of accounts. Okay, so some of them are sole proprietorship. So you all are AHS first year students, yes or no? So you will now come to know what is sole proprietorship business. Okay, so sole proprietorship business means where there is only one, that is single owner. Okay, there is only one, that is single owner. Okay, that is sole proprietorship. Only single owner. Okay, so this type of organization is following, or there is applicability of accounting standards while recording business transactions. Sole proprietorship. Then you come to number 2, it is partnership. Partnership means when two or more persons come together or join hands to do business to earn profit. Okay, it is known as partnership. Okay, so there are two or more owners in partnership business. You can write here two or more owners. Okay, so in partnership business also there is applicability of accounting standards. Accounting standards are followed to prepare the books of accounts. Then in company, what number 3 is company. Company means what? It's a legal entity, which is formed, to sell out goods and services, to purchase goods and services and to sell out goods and services. Okay, so that is a company. It's a legal entity, which has formed to do business and earn profit. So in company form of business organization also there is applicability of accounting standards. Got it? Then come to number 4, that is your HUF. So what is HUF? HUF is nothing but it is Hindu undivided family. Means the joint family. Generation wise all the persons of same blood are residing in the same house, same place. So if they do a business, there is applicability of accounting standards while preparing the financial statements. Got it? And the last but not the least, it's not for profit organization. Not for profit organization, you will come to know, it's nothing but an organization which is formed not for earning profit but to provide services to the society. Like charitable organizations, then your trust, then religious institutions. These all are not for profit organization. So they are also maintaining books of accounts by following the accounting standards. So whenever this question comes, this topic is there in your syllabus, AHS first year students. Whenever any question comes from this topic where accounting standards are applicable, you have to mention these points, and whatever I have said today, you just try to write 1, 2 lines, regarding the points. So I hope this point is clear to you. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.